Assalamu alaikum. Today, Ahmadiyya Muslims in Canada and around the world will celebrate Eid al-Fitr and mark the end of the holy month of Ramadan, a month of fasting, spiritual reflection and service to those less fortunate. C'est habituellement l'occasion de se réunir avec la famille et les amis. Mais comme la COVID-19 affecte encore des gens partout au pays, nous devrons encore une fois trouver de nouvelles façons de célébrer cette occasion. Since the start of this crisis, you've stepped up to support your neighbors and communities and displayed love for all and hatred for none. You've volunteered at food banks, helped refugee families during this difficult time, and worked to fight vaccine misinformation. And for those working on the front lines of the pandemic while fasting, you've shown resiliency and determination that we are so thankful for. My friends, soon this crisis will be over. But until then, let's find inspiration in Islam's teachings of equality, compassion, and service. On behalf of our family, Sophie and I wish everyone celebrating a joyful Eid Mubarak.